Most people think projects fail because of risk due scope creep, technical or budget issues. Well, the real risk is something else, which you might be ignoring. And once you see it, you won't be able to ignore it. You know that moment when someone with zero context jumps in and suddenly your entire timeline shifts to right? Yeah, that's not bad luck, and that's where things gets interesting. You know, the biggest project risk is it's the wrong people having the right power at the wrong time. One decision from the wrong person can erase 6 weeks of work. One uninformed opinion can override months of planning. But wait, thing gets more interesting. Despite these red flags, we still don't treat this as a risk. We treat it as office politics, and that's why projects keep failing. I used to think delays meant the team was slow, until I realized the real issue wasn't my plan. It was who had the authority to break it. Projects don't collapse from bad work. They collapse from misaligned power and stakeholder. If this feels like your project, well, probably it is. Save this for the day when one decision wrecks your timeline. This will help you to explain the root cause better. Till then, keep learning, keep leading, most important, keep believing. Real project risk? The wrong people with power. Everyone thinks projects fail because of scope creep, or tech issues, or budgets. That's cute. The real risk is something else, something you usually ignore, until you can't. You know that moment when someone with zero context shows up, and suddenly your entire timeline slides to the right? Yeah, that's not bad luck. That's authority without understanding. And here's where it gets interesting. The biggest project risk is the wrong people having the right power at the worst possible time. One decision from the wrong person can erase 6 weeks of work. One uninformed opinion can bulldoze months of planning. And here's the real joke. We don't even log this as a risk. We call it office politics, which is corporate language for no one wants to admit what's really happening. That's why projects keep failing. I used to think delays meant the team was slow. Turns out the team was fine. The problem wasn't the plan. It was who had permission to destroy it. Projects don't collapse because of bad work. They collapse because power and accountability are never in the same room. If this feels like your project, yeah, it probably is. Save this. You'll need it the next time one decision wrecks your timeline and everyone pretends it was unavoidable.